Okay. Beginning in the one good. Okay. So good morning once again. Now we have 7 members. So anyway, uh, we start the meeting. Our meeting will end by 8:40. Okay. So 8:40 with our meeting will end. So business opportunity meeting. So myself Rajendra Bhatt. So I'm a civil engineer actually. I joined DXN in 2001, 26/10/2001. Right now I am executive double diamond. My team size of more than 20,000 people. So every month more than 200 to 250 people are newly joining to our network. So I am every year foreign trip free foreign trip achiever offered by the DXN company. I am an entrepreneur, trainer, and the company speaker. Okay, right now recently I got Shunyadatta red belt from the Shunyati International Foundation, so Hyderabad. Okay, so I welcome you all. So see, every individual is looking for what So nowadays, money makes a lot of things, but money may not be give all the things, but money makes a lot of things. So everyone wants to want to earn more money, and not only the money, they need this. They are searching for the security. So they are actually suppose in search of job, but people uh, want the security only. Security also. There is no security means what actually? Today we are getting more than 10,000 or 20,000 or 1 lakh rupee per annum or per a month. Per day we will get more than 10,000, 20,000. But tomorrow there is no money means what? What's the hell to do that business or the job? That's why people are searching for that work or the business. So abundant of money they need, and security and the time freedom means. So suppose someone is ready to give a job of 1 lakh rupee salary per month, but job is so full of the day you have to sit alone. Who will be ready? Initially 1 or 2 months anyone can do the business. Thereafter there is no work means what? No one is ready. And the night shift. So at how many years we can do the night work? So this is very difficult, and the health also precious. No, so our health is wealth. In that job you may lose the health. That's why people are in search of a good job or the business that which one gives a lot of money and with the security and the time freedom means. So see, now I want to do the work, then I can do. No, tomorrow I may not be able to go there. So that much freedom we have to get it. So now it's very difficult to find that job. Financial freedom. What's the financial freedom? So financial, to get the financial freedom, we can see the present real is what actually. Present reality is no one is in the empty. They are all working somewhere in the business or job, but there is no money. At the end of the month, salary is not sufficient to everyone. Little bit salary. Why? Because so increasing the expenditure. Wherever you go, you can see the petrol price, and you can see the food and shelter price. You want to buy one house in a metro city, so in a like Bangalore or Chennai or Delhi, you have to spend more than 2 to 3 crores for just size of 30 to 40, 30-40 size site. More than 1 or 1.5 to 3 crores like that. How it possible for ordinary people? It's very difficult. That's why, where is the opportunity? Everyone is searching. See that guy is busy with 2 phones with the laptop and wearing a good shirt, tie, and everything. See the tension on his face. So everyone is facing that much problem today, and that also they are not ready to sacrifice the present reality. Dream. Where is the dream? Dear friends, you note it down. If it is possible, you write down your goals. By the end of the meeting, we can think about that our dream. First, you write down the dream, long term, short term, and long term. After 5 years, what you want to become, and then after 10 years, what you want to become, and what the final destination. So everyone wants the good income and the free trip, not only the free trip, good education to the children and the ornaments, very good lifestyle, free foreign trips and all. Everybody wants, but how it's possible? The result, the present reality is actually stress. Wherever you go, the stress. By completing the double degree or lot of experience in a job business, they may get 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh per month, but the same amount of stress, or in terms of what we can, how we can calculate the stress in terms of means that I don't know actually. Stress is a very, very big problem nowadays. Wherever you go, the stress. You can see the children. You can see the gentlemen, those who are working in a software, or you can see the doctors, lawyers, industrialists, everyone's stress. Why? Because what will happen tomorrow that we don't know. Due to the pandemic, is the whole world is under tension, stress, tension. It leads to bad health. Okay, we miss to see the alternate opportunity. Why? Because we are doing. See, I am a teacher. I don't have any other option. If we quit my job, if I quit my job, then what would be the uh, tomorrow? Where I have to go for my bread and butter? It's very difficult. That's why I am ready to work, maybe a lower salary or a overtime work. I have to be ready. Otherwise, there is no option. There is no option. No. That's why people are adjusting. They are compromising with their dream, and there is fear. Fear is also there. Suppose you want to do some other work or the business, there is no time for you. Why? Because you are early in the morning. You will get up in the morning and you will go to the job workplace by 9 to 10, and you will come back by 7 or 8, or maybe 10 hours, 12 hours job. Suppose 9 to 5 job. There is no time to rest. There is no time to recreation, and there is no time giving time, proper time to your family. And uh, you are missing a lot. Means you are missing your kid, and you are missing your parents, and you are missing your friends circle and all. Suppose you want to some business, means that you don't have money. Why? Because we are working for money, but at the end of the month, due to the expenses, increasing expenses, you see the petrol price, how it is more than 100. Gold price, where it is very, very costly dunya hai. Okay, that and suppose if you take the risk, it's very difficult. Suppose something will happen, then what will we do? That's why people are in a mindset of adjusting. Okay. 1 minute. We don't have a capital, no capital to invest. Choose your own time. Do part time or full time. There is a way. If there is a will, there is a way. अगर आप तैयार है तो there is a proper way. Do part time or full time. Okay. Let's understand the possibility option which can give us the financial freedom. So, okay, we will move to to live a life as you like, and the money not be hurdles. It's the financial freedom. What is the financial freedom? See, I want to buy a house in Srinagar or a Delhi. So I forgot to introduce one person. He's a nice person. You can see Mr. Vijay is from Nainital. Today only he joined DXN. I welcome Mr. Vijay and also all of you. Okay, he is from Uttarakhand. Today only he joined DXN. So he's a very nice guy. He's studying in BSc Agri second year. By seeing my profile and by seeing our company website and address, he is very much interested about the DXN company. That's why he joined today. I wish you all the success to Mr. Vijay, and you people also. I wish you the best only. Okay, what is the financial freedom means? देखो आपको एक जो तरीका है क्या है, एक अच्छा चीज आपको खरीदना है, मे बी ये रोल्स रॉय गाड़ी और बड़ा बंगलो कुछ भी हो. Okay, so you need not to worry about the money. How it's possible? Wherever you go, by seeing the product or your dream, we are seeing the tag price with the tag, whether it will be in reach of our pocket or not. So okay, financial freedom depends on how you earn your money. Okay, and then formula which we earn money is income is equal to rate and into number of hours. How many hours we are working today? So nearly 5 to 6 hours or 7 hours, 8 hours. Okay, rate depend on the experience, education, talent, number of hours we actively give. Okay, so everyone is ready to do the part time, but where is the experience? And nowadays online marketing is going like anything. Suppose you are an expert in a computer, that's also okay, but where is the experience counts actually. One senior doctor charging 1,000 rupees per patient. Why? He has that much of experience, talent. Okay, but is it possible to become a doctor for us? No, we have to go to the college, we have to complete the MBBS, and we have to experience a lot. Now it's not possible. We are doing our business. How? Who will give us more than our salary? Not possible. No, suddenly it's not possible. Since active number of hours is limited to our income, is also limited to called the active income. That's why after completing double degree or double MBA, in Indian situation it is like that. People are ready to work, ready to work, ready to work. Once they got the job, they will adjust there itself. Why? Because there is no alternate sources to earn the more income. If we quit the job, no one is guarantee we will get the good job or not. That's why they will adjust. Okay, you can see here two type of income is there. One is the active. We are in active income now, so immediate compensation, financial security, as long as you are employed or you are a businessman. Suppose आपको अगर आप काम करते हैं तो 50 साल 60 ईयर तक आपने काम किया तो आपको उस तक पैसा मिलेगा. उसके बाद आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा ना. इसीलिए अगर एम्प्लॉय है तो ऐसे ही है. यू हैव ए जॉब, नो लिवरेज एक्चुअली, and if you are self-employed, you own a job but no leverage. 95% population are doing a on that. Actually time, there is no time. All the 24 you have to work. Why? Because you are a businessman. Next, see passive income. This is a beautiful actually concept. You focus on the passive income side. Money earned without active involvement means, see, now I am sitting in a Sirsi now, so I am doing the business in Dubai. I am here itself. No, someone will buy our toothpaste, or someone will drink our coffee, or someone will add a massage with the Gano massage oil. I am getting the money from by sitting in the Sirsi. This is the passive income. How it's possible? It's called the residual income. And the business owners, you own a system, leverage 95% wealth will be there. Who is the business owner? Reliance, Infosys, Tata, Birla, and many more companies. And Google, Facebook, they are all earning a lot. But what about us? We are in a limited source. An amazing opportunity is called industry in the world. This is the network marketing, a new model of promoting the products. Here we can earn a lot. You see, my dear brothers and sisters, so we are struggling a lot. If we are having a big dream, if you are ready to work for a 3 to 5 years period, we can earn like anything. If you work 3 years sincerely, you can earn the 30 years of job income. Okay, so network marketing is a new model of promoting system. Well, let us see how distribution works. See, traditional business distribution, you can see the left side, traditional system. The factory is to next distributor, C&F, and all, lastly consumer. This final consumer has to pay the profit margin of all the intermediates in the distribution chain. Manufacturer will get their own benefit, and thereafter transporter, they also take some money, and the C&F, he will maintain his own percentage, and the advertisement companies, they also taking. That's why for 30 rupees the product, we are paying 100 rupees. This is the traditional distribution system where we are buying our day-to-day needed tea, coffee, soap, paste, shampoo, and everything. We are buying on this channel only. You can see the right side, direct selling distribution. This is the DXN. Here you can see the entire, and the entrepreneurs buy the directly from the manufacturer. See, I am an entrepreneur. I am buying the product from the directly from the manufacturer and receives the earnings of international intermediates in the form of bonus. I am selling to you, and I am selling to some more people. Directly, I can get the more money. Here there is no middleman, no advertisement, no C&F and all. We are saving a lot of money. Company is distributing all these the saved money to the loyal customers. Who is the loyal customers? Myself, I am a loyal customer of the DXN company, and that Archana, Gangadhar, Rajeshwari, Ravi, Shruti. Okay, so Manjar, Alam. So you're all loyal customer. You are going to be benefited. Okay, and then nowadays the network marketing is going like anything. Wherever you go, you can see the lot of network marketing company. So like from A to Z, every day one or two company will start the business. But how to choose? Suppose, see, you are going to buy one property. What are the things you have to be study? Is it in a prime location, or is it in a proper way? Is there any good area? We can reach the nearby schools is there or not? And what about the resale? All the things you are checking, no? You are inquiring while investing. Same way, so network marketing companies are doing like anything. Many network marketing companies in India, and in not only in India, all of the world. So in India, actually, we are limited. In the European countries, lot of network marketing companies. All the products are coming in the network marketing system only. But while choosing the network marketing company, you have to check the stability of the company. How is our company? So as come to the DXN. DXN is such a strong company, you know. It's a very good company. Company established in 1993. Dr. Lim started the company in 1993. Okay. So from 1993 to 2001, now we already reached more than 200 countries. So DXN is such a big company, you know. More than 1 crore people are doing the business world over. Product superiority. You can check any one single product. You can choose the toothpaste, or you can choose the coffee or tea, or you can choose the toothbrush. Every single product is a unique product, monopoly product. We are giving on a guaranteed money back guarantee also there in the DXN. That's why while joining a network marketing company, you have to think about the stability of the company. We don't have any loan in the company. So in India, so in Siddipet, more than 400 acres factories establishing. Okay, we have started the producing the product from the Siddipeta. Okay, then the plan, simplicity, business. Here DXN business plan is so simple, everyone can do this business. Right from the poor people to rich people can do this business. Very, very simple. Okay, what is the criteria? We will check it. So see, DXN was founded in Malaysia in 1993. Dato Dr. Lim Sio Zin. Okay, he is graduated from the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. हमको बहुत खुशी की बात है ना, जो Dr. Lim studied in India. That's why he loves India. He trusts on Indian people. He is going to shift his headquarters from Malaysia to India. We are so lucky actually. His deep interest and endless effort have driven him to utilize the fullest potential of Ganoderma on human health. Ganoderma is actually the amazing product. I will give another day the product knowledge. Now today I am giving an opportunity only. Okay. So one world, one market concept. By sitting in India, we can earn from US and you can earn from Japan. Yes, it's possible. That much stability is in DXN. Only single membership. We are in the 15th rank world over down direct selling companies. See, this is enough to explain the people. Promote health, wealth, and happiness. Is there any other job or business which gives all the three things? Health, wealth, and happiness. Nowadays, the rich people are there. They are doing like anything. But where? What about the health? And what about their happiness? They don't have the time. They don't have any good health. They are struggling a lot, but they are doing the business. They are billionaires. In DXN, simply by using our product, you can get the good health. By promoting our product, giving an opportunity, you will get the wealth. Suppose people will get the wealth. No, people are getting benefited means they consume our product, they're satisfied, you will get the happiness. Ultimately, the final destination is our happiness only. That's why Dr. Lim's vision is promote health, wealth, and happiness. Okay. So DX is the entire process cultivation. You can see one word on market concept. We are the complete company actually. So DX is the complete company. We are doing all in our own. The entire process of the cultivation means red mushroom cultivation, and the processing means the drying, powderization, capsule formation, coffee making, and all the things that entirely by the company only under the strict quality control. I've been to Malaysia 3 times, visited 3 times a Malaysian factory and visited one Pondicherry factory. Now I am going to the Siddipet factory also. Okay, each and every distributor today you joined, you can earn the benefit from throughout the world. One membership is enough. Company is giving a free membership. To earn the money, what you have to do? You have to buy the product and you have to experience the benefit and share the benefit. That's all. And give an opportunity. The company and distributor single-minded. So I am the company is myself. So I am a partner of the DXN company. That mindset has to be there. Okay. And why DXN? Now, see, why DXN only the best? Global company, solid and stable with the proven track record. You can check with the Google. You can type Singapore, DXN Singapore, DXN Myanmar, DXN Pakistan, DXN Bangla, DXN Ethiopia, DXN Peru. You type it. What are the name comes into your mind, the country name, you put it. DXN Nepal, DXN Bhutan, you check it. Everywhere DXN is there. Everywhere. Where the sunlight is there, there is the DXN. Okay. So fully integrated and 100% debt free. There is no loan for single rupee loan for a company. Certified by the international recognized quality control bodies. Presently more than one. It's an old slide actually. Now we are in more than 200 countries. Every day we use the wellness product. Organic and free of toxic chemical. We are searching for a good one. DXN is producing the organically cultivated product and producing affordability price. So you can see the black coffee. By paying just 8 to 10 rupees, you will get an excellent, amazing, healthiest coffee in the world. And the opportunity, low startup cost. By investing only 5,500 rupees, means making 1,000 PV, you can start our business. Okay, the global opportunity. Who will give you that much global opportunity only for rupees 3 to 5,000 rupees? You think it up. By sitting India, we can do the business in Malaysia, Singapore, or US. Simple and easy, powerful compensation plan. Everyone can do this business with the highest paid startup bonus. First day itself, you can earn the bonus. You can earn the retail profit. All is in your hand. See, exceptional products that have gone through the test of time and results. See, they're fantastic actually. So we have a major 3 products: mushroom, noni, and spirulina. These are all our beverages. I will give you the information on regarding this product on another day. So these are the beverages, and these are all the supplements every day needed. We are taking this much as spirulinas, and the personal cares. right from soap and shampoo, TT cream, like that. Okay. So how we can do this business? Join us, use the product simply. Today you are joined, no? Use the product. From where we have to buy, I will tell you. You can see the company website. It's available there. Or nearby the stock point will be there. You can buy everywhere. Okay. And share the benefit. By drinking our coffee, so you got the very good health. You don't be quiet. You do one thing. You simply go on telling. Talk to people, talk to people, talk to people. From whom? You can talk to people, neighbors, friends, relatives, teacher, or any unknown person also. You can build a system is already there. You have to plug into the system. See, power is in your home, no? What you have to do to make an iron? You have to plug in the 3-pin plug to your iron box, no? Automatically power will come. You switch on the TV, TV will on. The power is there. There is a system, DXN. You have to link. That's all. See, you should be 18 years old and no joining fees here, no charges. Fill up the membership form, direct sell application form, agreement form. Now you are on a create a life of your choice. Now you are jumping in a DXN. Okay. So now we got that freedom. We are jumping in DXN. Okay. So world class product. You have a healthy family. Upon free membership, you are entitled to get the product in discounted price. Especially each and every product is on discounted price for you only. Up to 20% discount you can get it. You sell the product, 20% margin will be there. Suppose you invest 3,000 rupees, you will get 600 rupees benefit and you will get the bonus. Okay, see, be strong. Okay, within 8 minutes it will be closed. So I will do another day. Okay, don't worry. Share the benefit, be a strong distributor. What are the benefits you are getting? You go on selling, you go on telling. That's all. See, you can see the bottom, zoom it. Some may buy. You go on telling, that's all. You go on talking, explain the product. Some may not, but some will be interested to share it. It will be others. It's create the opportunity to build it, your network. Not to pay anything. You go on talking. But before that, you have to use the product. Unless until you use the product, network will not start going to start. That's why first use the product, share the benefits, build a business networker. You will be rewarded on every entire volume. Help your people to make a consumers. Okay, how you can get the bonus? See, you are in the right side. Okay, you can consume the product, become a distributor, building their business by your own purchase. You are purchasing on your account. Company will give you a bonus and discount. Purchased by the consumers, the entire volume. Suppose you join DXN merely 10 to 20 people. Whenever they are going to buy the product, each and every time company will share the bonus with you. Okay, this is the amazing system. You can check within our company website, consumer, distributors, and all. Okay. Okay. So solid opportunity. Retail sales, you can get the retail benefit. Group bonus is there. You are in a group of people doing this business, means each and every people will get the bonus, and the star group bonus will be there. Development bonus, fifth one leadership bonus. Once you become a leader, money will start flowing like anything. So by leadership bonus, more than lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. In India, only more than 50 to 60 lakhs more per month are earning. People are there. Okay. International profit sharing. From all over the world, company will give you a profit. You are doing business in India, but company is doing the business in somewhere, no, more than 200 countries. Company everywhere getting the benefit only, profit only. That profit company will share with you. Travel seminar incentive, free trip every year, company is going to share with you. And the handphone incentive, one time company will give you, and overseas trip to visit the Malaysia, company is going to give you 1 lakh rupees. For that, what we have to do? We have to follow the system. That's all. Residual income. You come each and every month, try to complete the 1,000 PV, the distributor. Once you complete the 45,000, you will become a star agent. Because every month you are going to complete 3,000 PV, you are a qualified star agent. As per my knowledge, and by what I gained, As a distributor, we can earn 3 to 5,000 every month. Once you become a star agent, you can earn 10 up to 10,000. More than that also possible. Once you become a qualified star agent, you can earn more than 10,000. Once you become a star diamond, how to suppose you are in a team, 6 qualified star agent came, you are a star diamond, you will get more than 20,000. If it is your network is strong, you are in a proper system. What we have to do? We have to help the people to become a qualified star diamond. Thereafter, we can get the leadership bonus. He's here. Direct profit for the distributor when they sell the DXN product. Will get the direct bonus. This is become a star agent. Okay, I will be go a little faster. Okay. Those who are interested, you contact your upline. They will send you these slides. You can check with yourself, or you can buy that marketing plan nearby Stock Point. Okay. These are the systems is there. Freedom. Okay, in DXN, you are on your own, but not alone. Every day, company is giving a free training. See, now we are in 8 o'clock special meeting now. 9 p.m. sharp. So many channels are going to start the company, the personal meetings. In Karnataka, we are having Kannada meeting. In Pune, they are having Hindi or English meeting. In Delhi, they are also some 10 o'clock or morning 8 o'clock. Wherever you can see, the meeting is there. Otherwise, suppose you miss the meeting, you can join, you can follow the company YouTube channels. Okay. There also you can get many speakers are giving such a wonderful knowledge on marketing plan, products and all. So very good. Okay. So thank you, friends. So let us meet some other day for a special another product knowledge.